Hello everyone and welcome to Rational Expressions. To start off, what is a rational expression? A rational expression is a factor where the numerator and denominator are both polynomials. A polynomial is an expression with three or more factors in it. These are present in both numerators and denominators of factors. The second key term is a binomial, or an expression with only two factors in it, which are also present in numerators and denominators. Our last key term is a GCF, or a greatest common factor. A GCF is a number or variable that you can take out of two and more factors of an expression if they have that number in common. The biggest rule of rational expressions is you cannot cross out a factor if addition or subtraction is present. You can cross them out, however, if multiplication is present. So, is 5 plus 6 over 5 minus 3 the same as 6 over negative 3? Take a moment to work it out. The answer is no, they are not the same. As stated in the previous slide, you cannot cross out the 3's in the first factor, meaning the answer would not be the same. Now, is 5 times 6 over 5 times negative 3 the same as 6 over negative 3? Let's work this one out. So if you multiply the 5 and the 6, and the 5 and the negative 3, you get 30 over negative 15, which simplifies into 6 over negative 3, meaning yes, they are the same. Now, simplifying rational expressions. Take 4x squared over 16x to the fifth and lay them out. Cross out the x's if you are given them, and then simplify 4 and 16. You're left with 1 over 4x cubed. This is just the easiest way to solve this. Simplifying rational expressions with binomials. If you are allowed, take the binomial and find your greatest common factor. Then take the multiplied number and simplify. In this equation, you would be left with 1 over 2 parentheses x plus 2. Now for polynomials. Take the polynomial and add it into the diamond method and or the greatest common factor. Then factor as able. You'll learn this in a different lesson. When you're left with the factor, you'll now work on the binomial. The binomial on the bottom, you'll use either factoring or, in this case, difference of squares, which leaves you with x plus 7 and x minus 7. Apply that to the bottom and replace the original binomial. Then continue your factoring as normal and subtract and cross out the similar equations, which then you'll be left with x plus 7 over x minus 7 as your final answer. You'll be able to do this with most expressions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped.